want to start or are doing a healthcare business and support you within your goals. Lots of obstacles, stresses in our lives. Meeting the goals that you have set. It's about strategy, it's about planning, it's about looking at what you need to do on a daily basis and not accept those excuses, not accept those obstacles. You push through those obstacles. You don't let it get in your way. If you want to achieve your goals, to deter me from making my goals, from making my dreams. I was able to overcome this. I wanted to do this. And I felt passionate about that. Push me forward. And these obstacles to make you, they're all excuses. It's there trying to stop you from moving forward with your goal. Look at how far you've come. Look at what you've learned.